Good morning students. In this video we will learn how to add and subtract fractions. So here there are total 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 parts. Okay, so we have added this one part, this one yellow part and these three blue parts. Okay, so one yellow part plus three blue parts out of total 6 parts. So students, there are total 4 parts, 1 2 3 4. Okay, one yellow part and 3 blue parts. Total how many parts? 4 parts. So like this students, we have to add the fractions. Here there are how many parts total? 1 2 3 4. So and yellow color is one part and blue color is two parts. So what will be the answer? One part plus two part, totally it will be 3 of 4 parts. Similarly students, here 1 2 3, how many parts total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total there are 12 parts. Okay, and how many yellow parts? 3 plus how many blue balls? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so total how many? Total 7 of 12 parts. Like students, you have to do here also. This is your homework. Good morning students. Now we will learn how to subtract fractions. Now here you can see that total there are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 parts. Okay, and violet color are total 5 violet color, and from there we have to subtract 2 violets. So how many remaining? 1 2 and 3. So 5 minus 2 will be students, 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 3 of 6 part is remaining. Here you can see 1 2 and 3 parts are remaining. Now here total how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total there are 11 parts. And how many violet parts? Total violet parts are 9. Okay, we have to remove how much? 3 minus 11. So what is the answer? Answer is 6 upon 11. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 are remaining. So here students, on question number C, total how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. There are total 8 parts. And how many green color parts? So 1 2 3 4. So total 4. And we have to remove how much? 4 upon 8. So 4 upon 8 minus 4 upon 8 will give you 0. Now this is your homework students. Try to solve this question. Good morning students. Now we will see how to reduce into lowest forms. Okay, we have to reduce into lowest terms or lowest form, and we have to solve also. So question number 3a is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 3 upon 5. Okay, this is our answer. Now question B says 6 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. So students, you know that 6 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10, what will be the answer? It will be 8 upon 10. Okay, now students, we have to reduce also. Here you can see it is saying reduce the answers, okay, to the lowest terms. So how will you reduce to the lowest terms? So we have to divide here. Okay, now you can see 8 can be divided by 1, 8 can be divided by 2, 8 can be divided by 4, 8 can be divided by 8, and here 10 can be divided by 1, 2, 5 and 10. So students, which is the common factor here? You can see that 2 is the common factor. So what you will do is you will divide 8 and 10 by 2. So here it will give 4 and here it will give 5. Okay, 2 into 4 gives 8 and 2 into 5 gives 10. So we have divided 8 and 10 by 2. Okay, so it is our answer. 4 upon 5 is our answer. We have reduced it to the lowest terms. लोवेस्ट टर्म मीन्स अब और कॉमन इससे कुछ नहीं डिवाइड कर सकते. 4 और 5, 4 2 से डिवाइड होता है बट 5 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होता. ओके, 4 इज डिविजिबल बाई 4 बट 5 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 4. सो स्टूडेंट्स, when fraction is said to be the lowest term if numerator and denominator has no common factor. Okay, there is no common factor here other than 1. Now let's see question number C. 4 upon 14 plus 1 upon 14 plus 2 upon 14. So students, it will give you 4 plus 1 plus 2 upon 14. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 upon 14. Okay, now 7 upon 14 you can divide by 7 1 times and 7 2 times. So answer is 1 upon 2 is the answer. Okay, because 7 can be divided by 1 and 7 and 14 can be divided by 1, 7 and 14. So we have divided by common factor here. Common दोनों 7 और 14 7 से डिवाइड होते हैं, so हम डिवाइड कर देंगे. Now C number we have solved. Let's see question number D. Question number D, 6 upon 23 plus 4 upon 23 plus 5 upon 23. So let's solve now. So it will be 6 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 23. So 6 plus 4 gives 10 and 10 plus 5 gives 15 upon 23. Now students, 15 can be divided by 1, 5 and 15 and 23 can be divided by 1 and 23. Okay, so there is no common factor here. Okay, 1 से तो कोई मतलब नहीं है, 1 से दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि 1 से डिवाइड करने से वही नंबर आ जाएगा. सेम नंबर विल कम व्हेन वी डिवाइड बाय 1. सो हियर इट इज नो कॉमन फैक्टर, सो आंसर विल बी 15 upon 23. Now let's solve question number E. So let's solve question number E. 9 upon 17 plus 3 upon 17. Okay students, now here you can see 9 plus 3 upon 17. So what is the answer? 12 upon 17. Now students, 12 एंड 17 ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसके टेबल में 12 भी आते हैं और 17 भी आते हैं? तो 1 के टेबल में आता है 12, 2 के टेबल में आता है 12, 6 के टेबल में, 4 के टेबल में, 12 के, और 17 आता है 1 और 17 के टेबल में. हियर यू कैन सी दैट स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी नंबर के टेबल में 17 और 12 नहीं आते. ऐसा कोई भी नंबर है नहीं है जिसके टेबल में दोनों आते हो. सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में दोनों आते हैं और 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वही मतलब होगा, इसलिए हम इसको डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. ओके, जब 1 से होगा तो. सो आवर आंसर इज 12 अपॉन 17, क्योंकि ये और कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, इसके सिर्फ 1 ही है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सो फ्रैक्शन इज said to be in the lowest term in the lowest term if numerator and denominator has no common factor. Okay, has no common factor other than 1. ओके, 1 होगा तो कोई मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन 1 के अलावा अगर कोई भी नहीं है तो हम कहेंगे वो लोवेस्ट टर्म है. फैक्टर मतलब वही जो डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हो सिर्फ 1 ही डिवाइड कर रहा था, तो 1 के अलावा कोई भी डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा था. 12 और 17 में कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं आ रहा था. नाउ लेट्स सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर F. 9/16 minus 3/16. So let's solve, students, this question. So 9 minus 3/16, it will give you 6/16. Now you can see that we can divide 6 and 16 both by 2, because 2 3s 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 आएगा और 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 8 आएगा. अब देख सकते कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, क्योंकि 3 को हम 1 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 3 से कर सकते हैं, इसको 1 2 4 8 से. सिर्फ 1 ही है कॉमन फैक्टर, और 1 से कोई मतलब नहीं है डिवाइड करने का, क्योंकि वही आएगा. सो आवर आंसर इज, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आवर आंसर इज 3/8. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर G. Pause this video and try to solve and see how I am solving. 18/28 minus 4/28. Okay, so 18/28 minus 4/28, so it will give you 18 minus 4/28. This is 14/28. ठीक है, ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसके टेबल में 14 भी आता है 28 भी आता है? सो 14 ही है. 14 1 ज़ा 14, 14 2 ज़ा 28. सो आवर आंसर इज, स्टूडेंट्स, 1/2. नाउ योर होमवर्क इज, दिस वाज G. ओके, योर होमवर्क इज 3rd H I J K and L. They are your homework, students. Try to solve these questions. They are very easy. If you have any doubt, text me in WhatsApp. Okay, bye students. See you in next video and do your homework.